Hey there, this is B-Ray549. Thanks for tuning in. Do I have an incredible Facebook Marketplace tool haul for the day? I was looking on Facebook Marketplace just for good buys and bargains that you just can't turn up, and I found one. And this one had been reduced from $50 down to $25. And I saw this kind of late at night, so I texted the guy and said, hey, is this still available? I'd like to come take a look at it. So we texted back and forth a few times and set up a time to come out and take a look at it. And I got there and looked at it and go, yeah, I'll take him. But let me show you what I found. Okay, there it is. This is all $25. Oh! I forgot one thing. I had it in my garage, and I thought there it is. This is the tool haul, $25. I'll go from right to left here. First of all, he had these, what he calls toolboxes, but these are actually fiberglass tackle box made by Waterloo. It says metal boxes, but this is definitely fiberglass, and it's in extremely good condition. And it's in this little thing here. Ah, even comes with the original key. How about that? So this is definitely, this is probably a stuff worth $10 at least, I'm thinking, maybe more. We'll get that cleaned up. Second one, we have another My Buddy tackle box. And this guy took really good care of his equipment. I mean, this thing is in like new condition. It's just a little dirty. But look at the handle. It's got that kind of a swirl Bakelite type plastic. There's no dents in it at all. It's just a really good condition toolbox. And then we have this one here. This is a Master Mechanic toolbox. Also in pristine condition. It's got the inside tool shelf with the handle. Just in really good condition. It looks like it's been used, obviously, but for the age, it is in really good condition. I'm guessing this is probably from the 70s or so. Nice find. And then we've got these two trays. Not only do we have the two trays, but we have this tote. Because you can even keep the tote. And it's got just a ton of tools in here. Let me just open some of this stuff up and show you what we have here. You get this. Okay, well, let's just start here. We've got a little pry bar here. We've got a Fuller combo wrench, 9/16. We have a Industro combo wrench, 1/2 inch. We have a TrueCraft slip joint pliers with a funny end on that. If you know what that's for, let me know. We have this one's brand is Motor Kit out of Jamestown, New York. Another slip joint pliers, old one. We have a bench top slip joint pliers. Just a drop forge, cheapo, small, Expert brand slip joint. And we have some side cutters here. This one here is just a drop forged side cutter made in China. I'll be getting rid of that one. This one here, unbranded. Then we have some little jab saws here. Those come in handy, especially with drywall. I mean, I guess you could probably cut plastic pipe with that. And then we have a channel lock style pliers made by PNC. Another one made by SK Wayne. And this here is a water pump pliers. You can tell because it doesn't have the channel locks. This is an old one too. I don't see a maker's mark on there, but when I clean it up, maybe I'll find one. Another channel lock style made by Industro. And this one here is really interesting. It's made by Proto. It has really interesting jaws, and then it's a slip joint, but it's not really your typical water pump or channel lock. It has the this edging here. That's where it grips onto. We have a Lufkin 16-foot tape measure, and also I'm not sure what brand this one is, but it's probably a 20-foot or so. And then a ratcheting screwdriver set, never been opened. And let's have a quick look inside the trays here. A lot of junk. The obligatory Allen wrenches. And some sockets in here. PNC deep socket. It's 1 1/16. And some other various old ones. Not sure what all these are. Get kind of rusted out. This is a newer one. It's a Master Mechanic 1516. Just some various ones here. Nothing to write home about. No Craftsman that I see. This one is a Industro. He must have liked Industro. He's got quite a few Industros here. Some vintage ones. This is a vintage Plum. And that one really doesn't have a brand on it. Promatic. That's got to be a good one. And TrueCraft. And then we have some various extensions. A rule. And that one's made by Pioneer. Draftsman's Measurements. Just some various stuff. Oh, look at that. That's just beautiful. Way to save that for. Okay, that's not to mention this bucket here. So let's see what's in there. Well, I won't spend a lot of time. Let's just dump this thing out. Like the Hobo Kelly Show. B-Ray549. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video of this absolutely fantastic Facebook Market tool haul in this sizzling hot summer. I tell you what, it's only 10 o'clock and it feels like it's 90 degrees already. So I think I'm going to go in and escape the heat and recline in the lazy boy B-Ray style. Thank you very much. Have a good day.